Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marisa. So today I am going to be unboxing the Witch's Roots box by Witch's Moon. They have 3 boxes, I believe, and this is the smaller of the 3 boxes. I usually get either the Roots or Moon. So let's roll the intro and we'll get started, okay? See you in a second. Guys, so yeah, I don't have my table yet, so I'm doing it on the floor, but let's get started. I'll just hold up the items like this if it's a little hard to see. All right, so we have they always send like a tarot or an oracle card that's been kind of like intuitively picked for me. So my card is Vulnerability. Very nice back there. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but there that is. That's beautiful. And then we always get like some very nice art prints. And this is Pendulum. Let's see, what does it say? So it kind of gives you direction here on how to do it. I have my own system when using a pendulum. I usually ask the pendulum, I kind of get connected to it, and then I'll ask my pendulum, show me a yes, show me a no, if I want to add something like a maybe or something like that. So let's see, we'll just put that guy here. Let's see, I'm going to shift this around. It is really nice to be back with you guys and talking a little bit. All right, so this box is basically revolved around an herb, a root, so it'll give you information. So this month, September, it's a little reflective there. If you can't see, it says ginkgo leaf and beautiful artwork. It is reflective, but it gives you all the information. And you could put these on your wall with like a little sticky tape, or you could put in your book of shadows. So there's that. Let's not start a fire because I just got home. And here is, I think this could very well be just a blank. Oh no. All right. And the theme is called Swing of Destiny. So basically it's the pendulum. So it'll has all the information here. I am not going to read all that. It'll take a year. All right, we're not doing that. Because I went from talking too much to not talking at all, and now I'm trying to find a happy medium for you guys. So, and my audience is not stupid. We don't have to discuss what this is. This is going to be a candle. Y'all are very, very intelligent. So, we have a beautiful, this looks like a deep purple candle. It's really pretty. And I like purple for like divination purposes. It's really, really nice. And it's a hand-rolled beeswax candle. Very, very pretty. All right. What else do we have in here? Oh, so let's get the herb out. So we have a really nice thick bag of the ginkgo leaf. Very, very nice. All right, so I'm gonna smell it because I love smelling the herbs. Yep, smells herby. I mean, it smells fresh. That's what dried ginkgo looks like. And if you haven't seen my apothecary that I have beautifully, I'm so happy with it. Look at my last video. I'll put it up there. Of me kind of returning back to the YouTubes. All right, so we have some herbal tea. Now, a lot of times they'll do it loose, and they'll give you like little baggies, like you know, disposable, reusable, like muslin bags. One day I'll show you guys. I literally have a whole cabinet now for all my herbal ritual teas. It's wild. So this is Rubus a day. I don't, you know what? I'm not even gonna try and like, but it's very pretty, beautiful packaging. All right, I see something that I love. Now what? Oh my goodness, what's going on in here? Oh wow. Oh, okay. So we have some incense, and this is copal, and I love their packaging. So I think we get like, you know, 7 or 8 sticks. I actually have my incense burner here. I actually got a really pretty one. It does the cone and the stick. So we're gonna put that there. Look how beautiful that is. It's really nice. And I'm gonna light it. And we'll see how this smells. I love my incense. I actually have some incense coming from Etsy. They're no longer making, the company I love the best, Dryad Incense on Etsy. They're no longer making my Caradwyn incense, so I'm very sad about that. But, because I really love the way it smells. So that's some copal incense. Alrighty, what we got in here? We got a little bubble wrap. It's either oil or, yeah. Oh, it's a pendulum. So it comes like this. Oh, nice. I don't know why I didn't think I was gonna get a pendulum, but I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. All right. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna look to see. Maybe this is white quartz, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I mean, what I would do, you know, I would take my time and kind of ground myself, you know, meditate a little bit beforehand, kind of put my energy into my pendulum, but then I would ask it, I would basically kind of hold it and keep it still as I can, and then I would ask it, you know, show me a yes or a no, and then it would swing one way or another and tell me, and each of my pendulums does something different. So I'm gonna look to see what kind of stone this is, but this is beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful. It's really nice and heavy. And I think this may be the last item in here. And this is adorable. It actually comes with a book as well. So this is called A Little Bit of Pendulums by Danny Bryant, an introduction to pendulum divination. So that's really nice. What a beautiful box. This is actually, they came, you know, they really came correct with this box. I really love that. So I am gonna be right back, and I am going to look up what stone that is because I'm really curious. All right, so I looked it up real quick, so you don't have to wait for me. This is actually a peach moonstone. I wasn't really sure. I actually have some peach moonstone chips, so that's really beautiful. So let me know what your favorite item is. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the description like a link to the Witch's Moon, and then, you know, you could choose from 1 to 3 boxes. I forgot the biggest box, what it's called, so forgive me, but that's usually centered around a piece of jewelry. I do like jewelry, but I don't wear it that often, and in other boxes I get little pieces of jewelry, and it's very rare I'll wear it, so I don't really, you know, I'm not into that so much, but I do like the Witch's Moon and the Witch's Roots, and I just kind of resubscribed to this guy because I think you get a lot for your money. I believe it's $30, something like that. You get an herb, incense, a beautiful candle, and artwork, and tea. And we actually got two big items, which is the pendulum and the little book. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I really, really enjoy this, and I'm really happy to be back for a nice short and sweet unboxing, witchy unboxing today. And you know, once I get started, I did buy some art supplies, some paints and stuff like that. But once my art table kind of gets bought and I can get started with, you know, art / witchy crafts, you know, type videos again. And yeah, I'll share that with you as well. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.